Today is a world where without major interaction with every other nation, you cannot really prosper in this world, nor can you thrive in this world. Atmanirbhar is not about closing our doors. Atmanirbhar is about the health of the nation. Things should happen in India rather than happening somewhere else and finished product coming here. We should show India is a safe basket.
And Sadhguru, there's just one more question in connection to earlier enlightenment what you have given. So this pandemic is going to shape up our economy and the ecology also. This is what the global situation is thinking. And as our Prime Minister has announced that we are going to convert this this challenge into an opportunity. And I was reading about the earlier pandemic in last century when 1820, the Spanish flu, which the entire world was suffering from, and crores of people have lost their life. At that time, then President of America, he stood and he took a challenge. He said that we will convert this as an opportunity, and he said that he is going to launch the policy of America first. And the study says that America emerged as a financial powerhouse throughout the world because of that policy. How do you think that this Atmanirbhar Bharat is going to bring changes and going to give strength in the future to our country?
See, it's very important, there is a nuance that I think the Prime Minister put, which must be communicated properly. Atmanirbhar should not become like 1970s, throughout foreign companies, do this, do that. Right now there is a movement building up in the society, ban this, ban that. I don't think we should go that way. It is important that we become a very productive nation and vital things that are needed for this country in terms of our food, in terms of our defense needs and critical industry, all this we should become self-sufficient. At the same time, today is a world where without major interaction with every other nation, you cannot really prosper in this world, nor can you thrive in this world. So, Atmanirbhar should not look like we have closed our doors to other people. This is very important, because how it gets translated in other people, whatever he said with certain nuance, how it goes down the line is very important. So, to re-articulate this and continuously make it very clear, Atmanirbhar is not about closing our doors. Atmanirbhar is about the health of the nation, of how we keep this nation, but this is not a closed-door policy, this is an open-door policy. So, it is just that foreign products, foreign investments can come, but we want it to be manufactured and the thing should happen in India rather than happening somewhere else and finished product coming here. The most important thing is, things should come here and get manufactured rather than manufactured elsewhere and coming here. So essentially, Atmanirbhar does not mean closing our doors, but opening our doors in a much bigger way than we had done, so that it is not only… the policies are not just about taxation. Always it's been about taxation, put 2% more, put 5% less, like this it's been going on. That is not the way. We must welcome this. I have also written something about this and sent it to all the concerned people, that the important thing is, right now there is a possibility that a whole lot of nations which have invested in our neighboring countries want to shift for a variety of reasons, if not wholly, at least partially, because they don't want to put all their eggs in one basket, they want another basket. We should show India is a safe basket. It is very important that people understand their investments are safe, that in the name of Atmanirbhar, tomorrow we won't nationalize, because this has happened in the past. People have that fear that they will suddenly nationalize the industry, they will do something else. This must be unequivocally stated that in India, if you put $1 here, your dollar is always safe and it will grow, it will not die, it will not be taken, it is not at risk, there is no social unrest. All these points must be made very, very clear to the world, otherwise Atmanirbhar can become a closed-door policy, which should never happen. I know that is not the intention, but it should not turn out that way in other people's perception. when you convert or translate Atmanirbhar as self-reliance, immediately people think it's closed-door policy.
Closed door, yes.
We must find a better English word for Atmanirbhar. I have not found one yet.
I was supposed to request you to give us a proper word for this. And
I
I
didn't
can't.
know. What does Nirbhar exactly mean?
Liver is dependent,
Self-dependence. Oh.
self-dependence. So just hope you will enlighten us and give us a proper word for this.
A good
I will-
English word is needed because self-reliance is always misunderstood as
Yeah.
closed-door policy.
Yeah.